and welcome back. Today we are going for the air show at Marine Drive and then we are going for the horse race at Mahalakshmi. And I'm feeling little extra today with this. Also, this is the first vlog for 2024 and I'm super excited. Let me show you something. The thing is, मैंने इतनी रश अभी तक कभी भी नहीं देखी थी. I travel by train, लेकिन अभी तक मरीन्स पे इतनी रश कभी नहीं देखी थी. फिर भी we enjoyed the whole show and it was totally worth it. And here are some of the highlights of the show.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
इजाबेल एवढं ओरडून काय होणार आहे का? cheer करतायत जसं क्रिकेट आहे.
माहिती जस्ट सगळी माहिती दिलेली असते. ते घोड्याचं नाव आहे, जो वर जॉकी असतो त्याचं नाव असतं, त्याचं वेट किती आहे ते सगळं डिटेल्स असते त्याच्यात बुकमध्ये. 10 रुपये मिनिमम, 10 रुपये
म्हणजे आम्ही पण करू शकतो. ओके.
अच्छा मला वाटलं 1000-2000.
10 रुपयेपासून. त्यांचा रेट कसं असेल ते घोड्यावरती, ज्या प्रत्येक घोड्याचा रेट अलग अलग आहे. डार्बी वगैरे मोठे मोठे रेस मारणार आहे त्या लोकांना पैसे जास्त आहेत तेवढे.
आणि नाही जिंकला तर आपला काय लॉस आहे का?
ठीक आहे, समोर आहे सगळे बसलेले,
तुला लावायचं?
लावलेले बूथ लावलेत ना इथे, सगळे स्टॉल लावलेत ना, ठीक आहे, समोर उभे आहेत पब्लिक.
She's the best, you know. You should approach
Can
the
you-
woman, you know. Ladies, derby.
Name we want
Please, what's your name, ma'am?
Rasim Baleda.
What's your name, sir?
You're Rajdhani.
Yes.
Won the first jackpot and the second jackpot. Yeah. Both the jackpots.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And this is Derby, right?
She came since last 50 years,
Really?
45 years.
We don't know anything.
You were not born that time, is it not?
Yeah, that's true.
She will tell you.
She's a spinster. We don't have names.
Are you guys friends?
Yes.
What a couple, you know.
That's really nice.
This is 0 year.
78, 74.
You guys are having fun. That is the good part.
Do you love music? Do you love cakes?
I do like.
She can supply you cakes.
Huh?
What is that?
This? Vlog. YouTube. I'm a beginner. Yeah.
I enjoy YouTube.
Racing is all made up. Cookies are operating the media. Social media or stock forum, they are hiding transparency.
It is all set up. The same.
Actually, once upon a time, racing was a sport, but today it is not.
All right. So are you saying that it's a game? Like there's something behind this?
All the social media,
Yeah.
they are fooling the gullible by posting under symbiosis. One person is posting different tips and they are hiding transparency whenever possible.
Correct.
To the audience, it is okay, na?
Yeah, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.